This is our Kestrel flute in the key of high D minor, and we make it out of walnut. Walnut's a hardwood, so you get a really nice, clean, clear voice. Now, it is a 6-hole flute, although it looks and acts like a 5-hole flute here because we put a leather tie on the 3rd hole from the top. It makes it a little bit easier to learn how to play it, but when you get ready to play as a 6-hole flute, just go ahead, remove the leather tie, and expose that 6th hole. Here's what it sounds like. Now we do make the key of D minor in 2 different octaves. Here it's the high D in the Kestrel, and we also make the condor bass in a low D.